Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can access the review mode on Adobe Bridge for files you would like to, inspect or review, like Word documents, images, and so on and so forth. So let us guide you through it. Launch Adobe Bridge on your account and you will see this overview. So what you want to do, guys, here to navigate to the review folder is, review mode is, click into this button in the top left corner, this one here, and you will see the review mode listed here. You may also use the shortcut Control B, and that's how it would look like. You will see these the selected, or the overview of the folders you're currently in here via the Explorer, and you may, for instance, inspect these folders, for instance, and navigate through them. You may also give your review mode a name here, or zoom in, or navigate through these folders. So let me, for instance, use that one here. So that's basically it. You may also remove them from there, and that's how you use it. You may close it by clicking into this button, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.